This is HomemadeScienceKids.com. This episode is that we're gonna be going through a time machine. We're gonna go to all these places. I know.
What are they? Tell everybody what they are.
So this one is baking.
Making time machine.
Making time machine. The planets. Christmas. A tree video. Episode 2. And rocks. And then
Rubber band
it's
rocket.
gonna be coming up soon. Rubber band rockets.
You wish that you went and you are sweet kids. Which wish do you want?
Building time machine.
Building time machine on. Let's build a time machine.
I'll do the inside.
Woof, woof, woof. Ooh, take. And then
Good job, Henry.
woof, woof.
Let's go to the time machine. Follow me.
Woof, woof. Space. You're on space boat.
What? Floating. Whoa, there's an whole solar system.
Tell us what the planets are.
Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune.
What about all those asteroids that are floating around?
Asteroid belt. Oh, wait, I mean Kuiper belt. Asteroid belt. What can we do next?
We gotta visit all of our favorite memories.
Okay, we'll do
Which one am I?
rubber band rockets.
Rubber band rockets.
Look at these. All right.
Yeah, rubber band
3,
rocket.
2, 1. That's cool.
You wish that you went and you are sweet kids. Which wish do you want? Muffin tins. And you make. Ding.
I feel like I have to eat this. Hey, Henry. Okay, I guess. Visit us at HomemadeScienceKids.com for some more fun. We'll see you back on our app. Thank you. Bye bye. See you next time.